Mali National Congress Party leader Musalia Mudavadi wants the Independent Electoral and Boundaries Commission to come clean on the tender for the Integrated Electoral Management System awarded to Safran Identity and Security. Mudavadi, who was speaking in Rungai, says that the company that was awarded the tender had many unresolved integrity issues. IEBC announced on Friday that it had through single sourcing, awarded the tender for the election system to the French company days after it had terminated the tender from Gemalto.
We want the IEBC to be very candid and honest, and if they're having difficulty, they should speak honestly to the Kenyan people so that a common collective solution can be found if there's a challenge. Right now, they have cancelled a tender. They have given another one through single sourcing. At what price, we don't know. But some of the BVRs that were used in the last election, which failed to work, were supplied by this company that they have gone to. In 2012, the same company, Safran, was fined in a French court because there were allegations of bribery in Nigeria. And they are the ones now who are being single-sourced to quickly come and do our election.